What is going on, guys? This is my follow-up video to my last video on my encryption program. This is a little more insight on what you can do with Python and PowerShell when you run Python. It's a little more insight. It's just a simple command I'm going to run, and it's going to be a very short video. But it's the proper way to use it though. There's no real need to go to your documents folder when you run Python, but I just like to. Let's make a variable called cool stuff. We're going to make it equal to Ariana, as in Ariana Grande. A string. We're making it into a string, which is very hard to explain a string, but it's just text basically. It's just text. That's all a string is. It's just text. We're gonna make it say Ariana, and we're gonna print it. Cool stuff. Printing is just pretty much what it does after this. It prints or shows what's in cool stuff. Let's try something else. My underscore stuff. I need to look at my code. Alright, let's make a dictionary. Wrapper 1 has a value of Rico Nasty. We're gonna print it now. My stuff dot to access. No, wait. Square brackets to access wrapper. We're gonna see what wrapper says. Oh wait, sorry about that, guys. It's wrapper 1. Sorry about that. Print my, got an error there. Wrapper 1. That's the proper one. I don't know what's going on, guys. No, that's wrong, guys. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about the mistakes, guys. But let's try it one more time, though. My stuff. Wrapper 1. I forgot to enclose it like this. There. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Interactive code in Python. Interactive code in Python. Interactive code in Python. Nice. I don't know how to There we go. You just press Control Enter. There we go. Add 3 plus 4 equals 7. Add 8 plus 9 equals 17. Add 12 plus 20 equals 32. Alright guys, that's it for the course. That's it for the video. To exit program in Python, you just put exit and 2 brackets. Or whatever you call these things. I forget what you call them. Just brackets, I think. Yeah, brackets. Interactive code in Python. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.